Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change battery mode in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we are looking for battery option menu. And here we have a few options. For example, at the top we have battery mode, we have balance mode, we have power saving mode, and we have super power saving mode with explanations and suggested savings. And here we have GT mode. So we can enable it using this switch here, and we can disable it using the same switch. And that's pretty much it. We have 3 standard mode and we have GT mode here, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.